Hey, what's going on, everyone? I think we got some good news to talk about today for Palantir. I'm going to show you how I predicted this stock 20% surge. Yeah, you guys can see we've been with this idea ever since this price prediction was listed on our chart on July 23rd, 2024. Now, we may even have more exciting news to talk about in Palantir, all because of the recent price action yesterday. I'm going to talk about it. So before I get into it, if y'all appreciate my videos, my content that I'm creating, that you can't get anywhere else, then make sure you continue to keep it locked right here and don't let it go. Because I'm dropping a whole lot of gems that we all can utilize to become more proficient and better traders / investors. We don't pay attention to what the news is talking about on these particular stocks. We don't pay attention to what people are tweeting out. Because understand, this is a prediction type market. In order for you to make money, you need to predict as to where you foresee prices going. Now, there's a lot of ways that you can do that. Some people use astrological signs. Some people do fundamental analysis. Some people do technical analysis. Some people do psychic readings. Like, if that's your thing, then go ahead and do it if it works for you. But here, we simply pay attention to the charts. Nothing more, nothing less. So hit the like button. Share the video and also subscribe here for more of this wonderful content. Now, target hit right there. 19.75%. We anticipated this market move at the ending of July. Here it is, September the 10th. Yeah. Now, I know there's other analysts out there talking about Palantir stock running all the way up to all-time highs. Hey, look at this market. Can you refute that? Can you say that's not a possibility? No, you really can say it is. And this is another reason why this could possibly be an opportunity for this stock to make all-time highs. Okay. We are, let's see, where are we from all-time highs? We are about, let's go ahead and run this real quick. 30% away from all-time highs. And here I am talking about it right now. Nobody else is talking about Palantir making all-time highs yet. But we are. Because we're anticipating these things. This stock is on a massively strong trend right now. You can't negate it. You cannot say it's not. Look at this massive trend. This bullish trend started in Palantir on May 5th, 2023. So we're well within a year of this trend playing out. And it hasn't broken yet. Now, entry of this stock could be a problem because why would you want to buy it all the way up here when you can buy it if it comes down to this trend line? Like it did in August. Let's get rid of this price prediction here. And I was talking about on our last video in Palantir that we needed to really see this stock break this sell zone. And I was telling you that it was trying to do it, right? It was trying to do it. And then we got yesterday's price action to get the validity that those buyers were successful. Boom, look at that. They completely evaporated the sellers in this zone. The sellers had to fall back and like, look, I can't hold them back anymore. There's too much demand. They want to come in and buy this stock. I ran out of stocks to sell them. That is why that volume is extremely high. Those buyers broke through that sell zone. The sellers wasn't an issue at all. This is what you want to see for a continuation. We got more confirmation that the buyers in Palantir, they are still controlling this stock's price. So we're still bullish. Now, the only thing I can tell you is like, hey, it's all the way up there, $34.65. You would want to buy it around 24 though. I'm just saying that this is the location you would want to buy it. So we can see 33% drop. And you would think that the market is dead in Palantir, that the sellers are controlling the market again. only to find out that the buyers are still in control because of this trend line. All right, so let's look at the market in Palantir on the 2-day chart. Excuse me, let me get this straight. Okay, so we have 8 hours and 43 minutes left. You guys can see my indicator. It's strength right there. Okay, next thing we're going to do though is we're going to create a buy zone, because we look at both sides of the market. We know that there's going to be buying. We know there's going to be selling. We know price is going to go up. We know that price is going to go down. So in the event that prices do go down in Palantir, we at least want to see these buyers hold the market right around there. Okay. I love the 3-day chart. In the next 8 hours and 43 minutes, if we still have this indication of strength and price closes at the high, guess what? Yeah, still looking for higher prices. And we already have our target already on our chart. Already. 37.50. Here it is on the 4. Palantir on the 5. The 5-day chart is even more bullish. Now, I can't go with this as actually being finished and the truth because we still have a day and 9 hours. But how it looks now, oh man, this is definitely bullish into the market in Palantir. Okay. Well, here it is on the week. 2 weeks, 3, 5. And then a monthly chart. Okay. I don't know what else to say. I'm done. We are going to look for Palantir to go up in price. Then I'm going to add that buy zone there. Let's put this back on the daily. Okay, yeah, we're going to hold this as a buy zone too. And let's drop this prediction. And let's see this here. This is our target. At the low of this sell zone, that's 8.2%. And then at the high, it's around 13%, $39.20, give or take. Now, let me look at this on the 3 months, because we did mention all-time highs, right? In the next 20 days and 9 hours, come back to the 3 months chart, and if it looks the way that it looks now in Palantir, then yeah, we might anticipate the market continue to run up. That's 30% run right there. Okay, so we got time, 20 days, 9 hours, but I'm giving you a heads up now. If it looks the way that it looks now in Palantir, yeah, we're going. It looks to me like it's going to try to attempt to make all-time highs. Here it is on the 6 months. Okay, so now let's pull that back, because we'll talk about it as we get closer. So that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Palantir. How do you feel? I know many of you may be long-term holders, i.e. you're going to hold on to the stock for the next 6,000 years. But give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.